YouTube. Alain unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. Today is indeed Friday, February the 6th, 2020. And in today's episode, we'd like to bring you guys along for an update on something that we haven't actually brought you guys an update on in almost 6 entire months here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. That's right. It's been almost 6 months since we brought you guys our last video update on what we're about to show you, but indeed things are looking quite well over at Little Creek Homestead. That's right. Little Creek Homestead right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. I'm going to flip this camera around for you guys this morning right now and show you guys exactly what's going on right here, right now at Little Creek Homestead and our dear friend Vicki's planter right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. Take a look at this, YouTube. Indeed, YouTube, indeed, Little Creek Homestead right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. As I said in the previous clip, it's been nearly 6 months since we brought you guys our last video update on exactly what's going on and what's growing at Little Creek Homestead. But take a look at this, YouTube. If you may recall from our last video update on this particular planter, this is what Little Creek Homestead looked like in our last video update. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what Little Creek Homestead is looking like right here, right now, Grow Zone 8B, Friday, February the 6th, right here in Tifton, Georgia. Take a look at this, YouTube. Take a look at this. Bam! Yes, indeed, YouTube. Yes, indeed. I'm trying to keep my shadow out of this picture here, and the camera shot out of the picture, but you guys see what's going on with our sweet Vidalia onions? Look at that, YouTube. Are they indeed looking well or what over here at Little Creek Homestead? Again, it's been about almost 6 months since we brought you guys our last video update on Little Creek Homestead. As you recall from our previous video updates, we had previously planted red beets and sweet Vidalia onions here in this planter. And if you recall, we got these seeds for the sweet Vidalia onions from a plant that had gone to seed out in the field at the local ABAC Agricultural Research Center right here in Tifton, Georgia last year. We harvested those seeds from that plant, brought them home. We didn't have any idea whether or not they would actually germinate, but they did within a week's time of us planting those seeds. They did actually germinate. And this is what they're looking like right here, right now, YouTube. Friday, February the 6th, 2020, right here at Little Creek Homestead. My dear friend Vicki, although it has been a while, my friend, we have not forgotten about you over here at Little Creek Homestead, and your sweet Vidalia onions are indeed looking fantastic at this point. We harvested our beets. We didn't have the most fantastic beet harvest of all times. With our first time attempting to grow beets, we had some germination issues with our beets from the very beginning. We finally did get a couple of full rows of our beets here. They produced some beets, but not nearly anything like what we were expecting. So we may not grow those again here this year. We're not really huge fans of beets. We do eat beets, but we're not really huge beet fans. We may again attempt to grow those here again this year. But if we do, we're going to change a few things about how we go about planting those beets and where we plant them. And we won't be planting them again definitely here at Little Creek Homestead. They didn't do very well here in this planter, but our sweet Vidalia onions, YouTube, indeed. Our sweet Vidalia onions are indeed looking well right here, right now at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. And our dear friend Vicki up at Little Creek Homestead in Pomona, Missouri's planter. If you are indeed watching this video, YouTube, and you're not currently subscribed to the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family if you don't mind. Thanks. We really, really, really would appreciate it. Yeah. Growing sweet Vidalia onions at Little Creek Homestead. Right here in our front yard garden extending grow area. Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching.